What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we have a Gemini Jets unboxing. As you can see, the box is right here. Today it is more than one aircraft, so that is very exciting. If you do enjoy the unboxing video, make sure to drop a like, and if you would consider subscribing, it does really help support me. And yeah, let's get straight into the unboxing. As I mentioned, it is more than one aircraft, so that should be a little more of a interesting unboxing, if you will. So if you guys would like, make sure to watch all the way till the end to see all of the models. It's always a pain in the butt to get these boxes open, so we're just gonna hope for the best. As I mentioned, these are the Gemini Jets unboxings, or Gemini Jets unboxing of the new releases that just came out a few, like, the August releases. That's what I meant to say. There we go. So it just comes in your standard whatever. Okay. Whoopsie. Okay. Let's angle the camera here. Okay. Comes in your standard wrapping paper from Easy Toys. I think I just dropped an airplane, but whatever. And then here are the models. First one is the Gemini Jet Southwest 737-700 Florida 1. And then the United 777-300ER, both by Gemini Jets. Chuck that over there. And yeah, so we have this one and this one. Starting off with the Florida 1 737-700 by Southwest. We have the Gemini Jets logo, made for collectors by collectors. Computer generated model, Southwest logo, Boeing 737-700. And we have this side of the box, which is pretty plain, just Gemini Jets, 1/400 scale diecast models, and it lists all the stuff like highly collectible, as real as it gets features, which are partly true. Then we have the Gemini Jets logo, 1/400 scale diecast model with the item number. In case you ever get a broken aircraft, that's how you will get the replacement landing gear, in case you are curious. Computer generated model, Boeing 737-700. And then it says like adult collectible model, and then the warning that you're supposed to be over 14 to collect these models. Then we have the Gemini Jets logo, same as the other side. Yeah, let's get to opening it, and we'll just pray it's not broken. I haven't ordered Gemini Jets in a fairly decent time, so it's mainly been like NG models and stuff, so I haven't been getting any broken models, but hopefully that does not change today. So there is the aircraft in the tint thing. Here, let me move it down just a tad for your viewing pleasure. And then you can watch me struggle. Nope, psych. Okay, here it is. It's just lying right here with the plastic sheet on top. Take that off. And then the aircraft, oops, is right here. Not broken. Yippee skippy. And yeah, let's get into the aircraft. Let's see, move this here. Starting off with the front of the aircraft. Give me just a minute. There we go. Okay, starting off with the front of the aircraft, we have the cockpit windows right here, as well as the L1 boarding door with the first landing gear. Then we have all the detail on the Florida 1, which is like a, let's see, I can't really tell. It's just like palm trees and sailboats and stuff, and I can't read the side text, but yeah, there's side text right here, and then this is just the main part of the aircraft. Then we come along here and we have some more detail on the engines right here, as well as, you can barely see it, but there's yellow landing gear right there. And then if we scoot a little further back, this is their old mold. As you can see with the winglets right here, it's not their newest mold, which is good that they went back. Sorry, it's good that they went back to their old mold because it's way better than, well, the one they're using a way back then, or not, like a few months ago. Anyway, the more we go back to the aircraft is the Wi-Fi box right here, as well as an antenna. And then you just keep going along with the windows, as well as the landing gear right there with the American flag, and then the Southwest new, I guess it's their special livery tail. Let's see, move it that way so you can see it a little better. So yeah, this is like their special livery tail that they use on all their newer special livery aircrafts. And then let's see if we can move it out. Yeah, so there's the entire aircraft. I'll move it back a little bit so you guys can see it. So yeah, that is the entire aircraft. Very beautiful, and I would give it a 10 out of 10. Next up is the United 777-300ER, which does, matter of fact, fly to Denver occasionally. I wouldn't say frequently, but occasionally, so that's why I got it. We'll do a little bit of the box, and then we'll go into the aircraft. So yeah, starting off, up here is the Gemini Jets logo, made for collectors by collectors. Computer generated aircraft with a beautiful Evo blue, I believe is what they're calling it, new livery, which looks fantastic. Then Boeing 777-300ER with the United logo, 1/400 scale die-cast model aircraft. And then one thing I missed that I can't do with NG models is this thing. I'm going to leave that for your viewing pleasure. You guys can just pause the screen and read the information about the Boeing 777-300ER. Alright, and then right here is the Gemini Jets logo, 1/400 scale die-cast model aircraft. Then Gemini Jets logo, computer generated model, Boeing 777-300ER. And then this is the same as the opposing side, Gemini Jets adult collectible model. And then Gemini Jets with the computer generated aircraft. Alright, let's get to the unboxing of this. Let me just scoot it back a little bit so you guys can see. I have been seeing that some people are getting this broken, so hopefully it's not broken. If it is, I'm just going to go on with the review with it broken, but that would be a bummer. Okay, here it is right here. And put that aside. And then here is the aircraft. You can see it's in the little plastic covering thing that all Gemini Jets models come in. Hopefully it's not broken. It doesn't look broken, but you never know. And then you just take the plastic sheet covering off. And then there is the aircraft right here. Let me just take it out of the box. And it is not broken. Good job, Gemini Jets. Okay, well, let's start the review off. Starting off the review part of the aircraft, I'm very happy that it is not broken. We start off here with the cockpit windows, as well as a nose cone. Right here is the Star Alliance logo. As many of you know, United is a part of Star Alliance. Next is the landing gear down there. And then the United logo in all blue caps, as well as the Wi-Fi box and antenna right there. And then if we move a little further down the aircraft, we have the all blue engines, which look fantastic on this model. So far, I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. Next is the another door, which they use for boarding, so it's the second door. This primarily boards premium economy and economy. And then if we go down here, which you can barely see at the bottom right of your screen, is the landing gear down there. And then we have the overwing exit right there on both sides. And then if we go a little further back here, I don't want to go too far back there, we have a few more windows, as well as the swooped wings right here, which look very, very good. Definitely 10 out of 10 so far. Then we go a little further back with even more economy class seats, as well as another door right here. And then a few more economy seats. This would be like first class back there, which you can't really see. Then premium economy, economy. The registration for this aircraft is, let me look at it really quick. The registration is, I really can't read it actually, sorry, but yeah, so the registration is right here, as well as an American flag. Then you have the two back doors, and the rudders are indeed metal, which Gemini jets did not do for a very long time. Next is the Evo Blue logo, or on the tail, I guess you could say. It's which Gemini jets did a very good job of tinting on all their new livery aircrafts, with the globe right here and the dark blue, and then tinted into the light blue, as well as the rudders, which I already mentioned, and the APU in the back. I'm gonna try to zoom out here a little bit and look at the bottom of the aircraft. Let's see. Nothing really special. We have the Gemini Jets logo right, hold on. Yeah, you can't really see it, but it's right there. And then yeah, you have a few cargo doors, antennas, and stuff like that. So yeah, here is the entire aircraft, which gives it a 10 out of 10, as well as the Florida 1. I hope you guys did enjoy this unboxing of mine. If you did, I hope you would consider leaving a like and consider subscribing, because it really does help support me. And also, we are very close to getting monetized on YouTube, which basically means I'll start getting paid for like the videos that I make. It's based off of watch time, so the more watch time that I get on videos, the closer I get to being monetized. So I don't know, if you want to watch till the end of every video, I really appreciate you, because that does help me get close to my goal of getting monetized, which is very, very huge, and I cannot express how thankful I am for that. But yeah, anyway, today's review consisted of the Gemini Jets United 777-300ER and the Gemini Jets Florida 1 by Southwest Airlines. Both 10 out of 10 models, and I would highly recommend that you guys pick them up if you can. So yeah, thank you guys for all the support recently. I really do appreciate it. And if you do enjoy the video, as always, leave a like if you want, and subscribe if you want, pretty much. I'm not going to force you, obviously. And yeah, as I mentioned, the watch time thing, we are very close to getting our goal of monetized. So if you're in your free time, you want to go back and watch some old videos or something, feel free to, but you're not obligated to do so, obviously. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. More unboxings are on the way. Very, very cool one will be next Tuesday. Like, I mean, super rare Phoenix models, and you definitely will not want to miss it. So make sure you have your notification bell on. And I will see you guys in the next video, which will be an airport update. Alright guys, peace out.